place?
I think we've gone behind us, and as Pete Morgan comes off the line, there is now an enormous gap back to Pete Hammond with vacancy of Matt Rosier there. We're just looking, and someone is actually getting a black and white flag. I suspect it was for track limits. Can't quite see who the number is. Looking at the gap from Pete Morgan to Pip Hammond is 9 seconds, and then another 6 seconds back to Lee Scott. I do call him the King of Cadwell, Pip Hammond, but I don't think he can make up this as we're getting towards the latter stages of this race. I'm looking further back, and there's sort of equidistance, the gaps now. There's a big gap there between Ted Cooper and Andy Philpotts, like you say. He's 9th place, that's the best he's been able to get up to.
Very close now between Martin Kayser and Andrew Thorpe, 4th and 5th place as they come past me. Mark Sward trying to come back as well, he's right behind them, but Thorpe is his personal best lap of the race last time,